Babur in 1526 century Common Era, and it was established by the Mughal Empire in India. As Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by the Babur, and Babur came to ascended the throne in 1526, and he established the Mughal Empire in India. And the Mughals were of basically Turkic Mongol. They were originally from the Turkic Mongol region, and these Mughals ruled from 16th to mid of 18th century. So these Mughals were ruled around 16th to mid of 18th century. So children, after the decline of the Delhi Sultanates, it was the Mughal period, you can say. So children, who are the Mughal rulers who ruled the Mughal Empire was Babur, then Akbar, Shahjahan, Humayun, Jahangir, Aurangzeb. So if we consider the period time, first is Babur, second is Humayun, third is Akbar, fourth is Jahangir, fifth is Shahjahan, and sixth is Aurangzeb. So till now we saw about the Delhi Sultanates. Hereafter we will be studying about the Mughal rulers who ruled Mughal Empire. Now coming to the first ruler, that is Babur. Who is this Babur? This Babur is a Naziruddin Muhammad Babur is the full name of his name. So children, he was a descendant of the Turkic conqueror. And from his father's side, he is a Taimur on his father's side. And he is a Mongol ruler, Genghis Khan, on his mother's side. He is having two relations. One is on his father's side, he is the ruler of Timurid dynasty. And from his mother's side, uncle Genghis Khan is a Mongol ruler. So his ancestral kingdom was Fargana. It's a place called Fargana, a small region in Central Asia. This is about basic information about the Babur, who was a Babur. His full name is Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, and he was a descendant of his Turkish conqueror. Basically, his father's side was related to Timur dynasty, and he was a Mongol ruler, Genghis Khan, on his mother's side. And his ancestral kingdom place was Fargana, a region in Central Asia. So further to know more about Babur, Babur lost his father at an early age, at the childhood age itself, and he became the ruler of Fargana, a region in Central Asia. But he was not ruled for many days, but he did not give up. He faced all the difficulties. As the king, he has to face several difficulties in ruling the region, isn't it? So with this great courage and determination, he came up with a phoenix, like a phoenix, and within a few years, Babur became the ruler of Kabul in Afghanistan. What is the name? Region called which he ruled? It was a Kabul place in Afghanistan, and then he turned towards India. After becoming the ruler of Kabul in Afghanistan, later after certain period, in order to establish his territory, his region, expand his empire, he started invading India, and with an object of territorial expansion, he conquered India, and he defeated that is Lodi dynasty, Ibrahim Lodi, and the Babur came to the throne. Likewise, Babur became the ruler of the Mughal Empire. When the administration of the Delhi Sultanates was weak, Babur established the Mughal rule in 1526 CE. And Babur, who established the Mughal rule in India, was originally from Turkestan. And his father was Umar Sheikh Mirza, was a king of small kingdom called Pargana in Afghanistan, as I said previously. And due to the death of his father, Babur ascended the throne. He took over the power, and at the early age of 11 years. Due to this kingship, several relatives, enemies were against him. He became enemies. But he has to lead his life, and he had lead a life of nomad from one place to another place, because as he became the king at the early age, the relatives were not satisfied with this concept, or with his kingship. So he used to travel from, he never used to settle at one place. His life became like a nomad. And all the situation motivated him to invade India, and invaded India for 5 times. But he defeated Delhi Sultan Ibrahim Lodi, as I said before, in the first battle of Panipat in 1526, and established Mughal dynasty in India. So students, in today's class, I discussed with you about how the Mughal Empire began and who is the first ruler of Mughal Empire. And I will be showing the related images to you to this concept in the live session. And thank you, and please complete the worksheet as on that day itself, and be safe, be healthy. Thank you.